down there visiting Key West, and I said, Chuck, we got to do it. It's just so perfect. If you have friends that love to go fishing, this captures exactly who they are. And he called the song Fishin' Fool. Oh, it's so perfect. You'll see what I mean. What you gonna do with a fishing fool? There ain't no keeping him home. Ain't nothing more important than his favorite sport, so you might as well just leave him alone. Cause he says fishing, kinda like a religion, when it comes to just wasting time. You're bound to start believing when you start retrieving whatever's hanging on your line. No, there ain't no school for being a fishing fool, and it's a fine way to make a living. So if you gotta have a religion, it might as well be fishing, cause that's as close as some folks will get to heaven. Woo-hoo. Tell me what you wanna do with a fishing fool. Why don't you just tag along? We do. He'll show you all the tricks of catching a big old fish. You all can bring your dinner home. Cause he says fishing, kinda like a religion, when it comes to just wasting time. You're bound to start believing when you start retrieving whatever's hanging on your line. See, he's the kind of man that just don't understand why the rest of us work at all. Tell me what you're gonna do with a fishing fool when he hears that ocean call. See, he's a fisherman after all, and he knows he's got the world by the ball. Yeah, he does. Fishing Fool, Mike McLeod. Thank you. All right, we got a little mushy song for you that we wrote.